1, 2. Oh my god, I have so many questions. What's with the flavoring, first of all? Oh my god. I don't even want to look at it. It's... How did you come up with this idea in first place? And why is it working? I honestly don't know what to tell you guys. This is wrong in so many levels, but most of all, I am not proud of the fact that I bought a freaking toilet. In this box right here, we've got a fully functional toilet with a toilet seat, and we are going to give this a try. I don't know what's wrong with me, why I come up with this stuff in my head, why I think these are good ideas, and we might never find out. But for today's video, we are going to use the ramen noodle technique and try to fix a broken toilet. Wow. So one thing's for sure, we are going to need the safety glasses for this video more than we've ever needed it before, more than in the science hack videos, because this is not science, this is way more dangerous than that. I can't even tell you guys how difficult it was to carry a toilet into my house. Like, this was the toughest job I've ever done for a video before. So this hack better work because... Ouch! 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 Ouch. This is a sign that I shouldn't be doing this in first place. How do you open this? Alright. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, that was so scary. I'm trying to give you like... Okay, that doesn't seem right. So heavy. Oh no, I should have protected the floor first. Oh my god, I hate me. So in this box right here, I think this might be the toilet seat. We don't really need that for the video, but I mean, I am a toilet reviewing channel now, so maybe like this is like an essential part of it. Wow. Let's give it a try. Okay. I mean, pretty comfortable. I mean, 10 out of 10 would sit again. I feel like there's something missing. It's probably just the back of it. It's so heavy. Alright guys, so this is the toilet. So I'm gonna clean everything up, and I think the next step should be breaking the toilet. I mean, we need like a hole in front of it. I'm not playing here. I'm gonna get some gloves, make sure these are like pretty resistant. Okay, I can't feel anything, so this is good enough. Jesus, please help me. I know in every single video I stay further away from the path of light, but I will need you. I don't know if I should break it in the middle, because I feel like this whole thing might come off. Maybe we should do this side right here. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. 1, 2. Oh my god, that's so loud. Why is it not breaking? Why is it so loud? Okay, let me try from a different angle. Wait, something broke. I'm shaking, I'm sweating. This is like the most stressful video I have ever filmed. Oh, it started breaking. Oh no, the whole thing is breaking though. That is a big hole. How are we gonna fix that? Literally me when I trust someone with my heart. Oh my god, this is... Look, I can literally... That's a lot of ramen noodles to fix all of this. As you can see, I came very much prepared with a lot of noodles because somehow I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna be so much bigger than expected. Oh no. I guess this is a good place to put it while we unpack every single pack of these. So basically what we're gonna do is use the noodles to sort of fill in here. Wow, that's gonna need a lot of noodles because how am I gonna make this stay? this is just not gonna work. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. These noodles are probably not the best. Like, if you're gonna eat them, I think these cost 5 cents or even less per pack. So I'm not sure if these are gonna be great for eating. I'm probably gonna have leftovers, so I will report to you. This is truly something I never thought I'd see. I mean, I've been to a toilet-themed restaurant before, and even there, like, this is still crazy, even in those standards. So this is what we're gonna use for this next step, which is basically the glue that is going to hold, like, the noodles together, and hopefully this is going to make it stick to the toilet. So you guys know that I love science. Like, I've got literally a whole series for science on my channel. Like, it's like one of the things that, for some weird reason, it makes me excited because I am an idiot. It's not expected. So I did some research, and basically that liquid that they use in the video, like to sort of hold the whole thing together, it is basically called an epoxy resin, or I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, and also an activator, or also you can call it a hardener. Science-wise, I mean, I'm gonna try my best at explaining this. What happens is the noodles have got starch in it, and basically when you add the epoxy and the resin, basically there's a chemical adhesion to something to do with the gluten. I'm not sure how to explain any of this, but this is very similar to fiberglass repair. So that is why this is supposed to work. I don't know if this is real. If it's not, that's what we're gonna find out in this video. But basically all I wanted to tell you was what the liquid in the video is. Like, I did some research and it was actually difficult to find, so I bought a lot of these. So this first one is basically the glue that is going to hold the whole thing together. So I'm gonna mix it on a plate. I probably shouldn't. And this one right here is the activator. I think the one they used in the video was like in a much easier to use container. So, oops, this is really difficult with gloves. Okay. Oh my god, that smells like it's not good for you. I don't know how quickly this dries and stuff, so, and I'm gonna, oh shoot, that's everywhere on the floor now. So we're gonna start applying this in the toilet. So I applied a little bit. Let's see if this works. Like, I'm gonna press the noodles against. I mean, are you kidding me? This is a mess as well now. All right, I'm gonna try this whole thing with a spatula because I feel like we're gonna need a lot. Oh my god, I nearly dropped on my leg. Because I'm kind of struggling here, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So I think I figured out what the problem is. I think the issue comes from the fact that the glue takes 2 hours to like actually harden up because of the angle. Like, it's different from in the video. I can't physically make this stick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use, I think this product is basically like a glue. I think it's supposed to work a little bit faster. I mean, hopefully this will make it stick, because that seems to be like the main problem. Okay, that's working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create like a foundation, so because of the angle, so that it sticks, and then I'm gonna use the activator and the resin to like harden up the whole thing, which is what they did in the video. No matter what you guys do, please do not play this video to your dads, because I feel like they would cry if they saw me messing up with this product. I know my dad would, so sorry dad. Just one more disappointment. The spatula was stuck to the floor. Okay, let's create a nice layer. So as you can see, I'm truly trying to make this work. Like, no one wants this to work more than me. Look how strong this glue is. Like, it hasn't even been 2 hours, and like, it literally sticks to everything. So let's use a fresh, oh no, I forgot the seasoning. Okay, now we're getting there. Okay, this is filling in nicely. Imagine if this actually works. As you can see, this is as far as I could go. Like, this was really difficult to get to this point because everything takes 20 minutes to like solidify. Basically, it starts falling off. So this is not like the most stable, as you can see, but that's basically as far as I got. So what I did was, I went back into the store and I got a brand new spatula because I feel like this is gonna make it a lot easier to do these outer parts. Oh, this stuff is really difficult to use. Do you see what I mean? Like the noodles are still... I'm gonna try to fill in some holes.
Someone's at the front door.
That is not great timing. Even though it says 5 minutes, this is not solidifying. Like, it's been longer than 5 minutes. Like, what's going on here? My hands look like a 3-year-old getting mac and cheese at a restaurant. On camera, at least, like I can't really see it entirely. It seems like if this dried, because we're gonna use sandpaper to sand the whole thing down. Like if this was dry, it kind of looks like it did in the video when it dried. So if you guys remember this is the original stuff they used in the video. So now that I feel like it's sort of like all stuck in there, I'm gonna use this just in case. I don't know if it's gonna harden enough. I love how I started this video being so careful, and now I'm just like, okay, we just need to like, this just needs to work. So we're just gonna apply this on top. This is the resin, I think. Ew, why is it dripping? That's so gross. But also, I hope it works. As you can see, like we're doing the extra mile. We're really trying to make this food hack work. I'm gonna keep it very real. I do read you guys' comments, and I know that sometimes I give up like halfway through, or like I do stuff wrong. So I'm really gonna try going forward to like make this work. And I know this video is like, obviously you have to see the humor in it. Now that the noodles are covered in that like resin, it kind of looks delicious. Why do I want to eat the side of my toilet? Like, this is very confusing. My brain is very confused at the moment. Maybe we should wait like an hour and I'll check in with you guys, and hopefully this is going to work. Please do, because I've spent all day looking at a toilet. So it's been around 2 hours, and as you can see, like, it doesn't move too much anymore. So I've got some sandpaper, and I think what we should do is try and see if this doesn't ruin the whole thing. And I mean, we can always stop. I'm gonna have to sand the actual toilet because I obviously made a mess. Oh, it moves still a little bit. Oh, it's removing it. Oh no. I'm not entirely sure if this is working or not. Like, it does look kind of smooth, but like not enough that it looks like a real toilet. Like, it doesn't look like ceramic. It keeps on trying to like unglue. I feel like the surface, like the bottom of it, is like the main issue. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to get kind of concerned whether this is going to look legit or not. Because of like all the holes in between the noodles, like I don't really know how they made it look so smooth in the video. Like, do you understand what I mean? We've waited 2 hours, which is how long all these glues like take to dry, and it's still like not solid. And also the gaps in between the noodles, I thought they may be like this resin that they use, that it expands, because in the video it seemed very, very smooth. But it doesn't expand, it stays exactly the same. It doesn't even go white. So it leads me to believe that they actually used something else in the video that they didn't specify what it was. If you work in construction, I'm sure you will let me know in the comment section how much of an idiot I am and why this isn't like working. But this is basically as smooth as I can get it to stay. This is a pearly white spray paint. So I mean, I've ruined my jeans, my shoes, my clothes, like everything's ruined, so I've got nothing else to lose. Whoa, look at that. We love pearly white noodles. That is the name of this color, pearly white. It still looks like ramen, except white. So I'm still gonna spray paint it, because I mean, wow, beautiful. Banksy's shook. Oh my god, I just realized I could actually sell this on eBay. Let me know in the comment section how much you guys think this would go for. If we got some crazy millionaire guy, I can see someone paying a lot of money for this. I thought the paint was gonna make this better, but I think it's actually making it come off the thing. Like, you can see the gap a lot more. Like, it doesn't matter how much I fill it in. And he looks a lot more like noodles than before. Like, he actually looks like carbonara pasta. I'm gonna take the toilet back to the construction place and I'm gonna be like, I don't know what happened here, but it came broken. Suddenly the Iron Throne from Game of Thrones is looking a lot worse than I remember. All these glues, my kitchen spatula, everything's ruined, everything's literally down the drain. From above, it actually doesn't look that bad. And then when you go below, like, ew, what kind of like infection is that? Like, we didn't even manage to smooth the thing out. Like, it just looks awful. I am so sorry that I made all of you guys sit through this. I'm gonna keep it very real with you guys. I did want this to work. I wanted this to work more than anything. I bought so much filler, glues, things to make this work, and I just don't think it does. I think in the video, what they use in the beginning, which is the first product that we had, even when it dries, I don't think it actually fills in the holes on the noodles, so I think it's almost impossible for the noodles to actually become smooth. So I'm gonna say that this is obviously just my opinion. I think the video is fake, or I think it's been edited in a way that it sort of removes stuff in between. I feel like this will be really satisfying, okay? Oh my god, he actually comes off. Why does it look like an art piece now? Like, Lady Gaga who? I am truly sorry that it didn't work out. Like, I did try my best, but clearly it wasn't good enough. But hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like. I want to do like a thumbs up, but my hands feel so like dry and sticky. And let me know more Instagram videos or viral videos of people using food to like build things that you want me to recreate, and I promise I will actually try my best as well on the next one. So if it's real, I feel like we're gonna get it done. Don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on. I always say this, only do it if you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you don't, that's also fine. So thank you to those of you who've got my notifications on. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. I'm probably not gonna eat ramen noodles ever again in my videos, so I'm glad we shared this experience together. Bye bye.